You're working on your car. You're taking brake pad. Take the wheels out. Good job, boo boo. You can't. One is still there?
You kick the bottom, always kick the top.
Whoa.
And then put that underneath. So in case of it'll
Lie down.
you have support. So,
Good job. That's the mechanic. Which
this.
one? Your brake. Rotor is okay still.
Watch out.
There?
Yeah.
The rotor is still nice. Just the brake pad.